How can you possibly make an online presentation as great as the one that is used by Amy Porterfield? She has her face within a circle and her slideshow is just beside her in the same screen. So I joined her online bootcamp, the one that is advertised here, and I have heard questions such as this: how can you actually make that online presentation? Well, the team of Amy Porterfield uses Ecamm Live, and I'm happy for that because I also use Ecamm Live. And I'll show you in this very short video how that is done. I have previous videos about Ecamm Live, but the thing is, the software is always improving. Hi, I'm Avik, and you're watching my channel on work-life balance, technology, and faith. Making online presentations is really very challenging. Like sometimes you can be bored with the way that it is shown. You are within a square, and your presentation can take up a huge part of the screen. Whereas this one that is being done by Amy is really quite different. So I'll show you how it is done in Ecamm Live. Ecamm Live is a software that works in Mac. Here you see the Ecamm Live workspace, a bit simplified for our purpose of a quick tutorial. I always prefer to start with a blank scene. Then I add my background. Amy Porterfield has her own like a tabletop or lifestyle workspace. I chose this simple orange background for this demo. For you as the presenter, you pick this camera icon and you could choose a circle like I did. Then for the slides, you need to pick another camera. For the meantime, it is my FaceTime camera until my slides are ready. So I open a software called NDI Scan Converter, which is the way I will show my slideshow presentation. I open it now and immediately minimize the window. I could edit the borders to make it curved or not curved. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I play my slideshow, moving from one slide to another. So there you have it. I hope that if you're using Mac and you're doing a lot of live stream, you can try Ecamm Live. Have a trial of it and really see that it's really a wonderful tool. So don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.